Today, it's me, Captain E380, with a video that I'm about to explain to you all is that the airplane boneyard. You can see right here, I have a Korean Air 747 4H5. This aircraft right here is no longer flying for Korean Air. And the same with this Continental 747 or Pan Am or TWA. Those aircraft are in storage. There are a number of unique storage facilities where planes such as the 747, the 767, 757, 737, and the 727, these are called boneyards. Very, very unique in ways. California has at least 3 airplane boneyards. Arizona has 2, New Mexico with 1, and Florida with 1. Florida with Opelika Airport, which is south of here, and Miami International Airport, where there are where there are a number of retired commercial airliners, and basically some of them have been stripped of all usable parts and will never fly again. One in particular is George Air Force Base, located in Victorville, California. George Air Force Base was long since closed after Operation Desert Storm, and you have a number of aircraft and a number of airliners that have placed their airliners there into retirement. Some of them will never fly again, and those will eventually be scrapped. And they usually start with the gutting out process of removing the seats, the lavatory, the galleys, removing all the trays that has the food, and a coffee maker, and even stairs from a 747 have been removed from a 747. That includes both the captain and the first officer's seat up in the cockpit. And once the aircraft is completely stripped from the inside, then the aircraft is to be scrapped by using cranes that would be able to cut through a fuselage and just rip right through it. But before that is done, railroad ties are placed on where the landing gear was, and then the process begins by chopping the aircraft starting from the fuselage right down to the tail section until there's nothing left. And that has happened time and time again to a number of aircraft. And as airliners have reached their status of over 25 years, and just after 9/11, a number of airliners had to be retired just after 2001, and not too many of them. That includes Lufthansa's Boeing 747-430M, KLM Royal Dutch Airlines Boeing 747-406, Qantas Airways, Boeing 747-438, British Airways 747-436, Air France, Boeing 747-428. Those are the airlines that had retired their aircraft to the boneyard, and it's very unique on how they have all the planes lined up and those that are ready to be scrapped. That includes Mojave Airport in California, and one is at Mathers Air Force Base, which is now closed. An ex-People's Express 747 is there, and it had been stripped of everything. And if you want to know more about airplane boneyards, then check them out. And this video will be posted to YouTube. And I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, from the Airport Lounge, this is Captain 8380, signing off for now.